Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm excited because I'm going to be taking you back to my roots. Not really my roots, but feels like my roots. I lived there for 10 years. It's Taiwan, and we are going to make something called Baozi. Baozi. Baozi are these wonderful little clouds of amazing goodness filled with this anything you want in there, but we're going to be using ground pork and some seasoning, some soy sauce, some delicious goodies. Oh, you guys are going to love it. I'm telling you right now. And it's going to be steamed. So for all you healthy people, yeah, it's good. I'm going to show you how to make this just the basic way. And then what you can do is you can add more things to it in the future. You can add cabbage. You can add chincai, any kind of vegetable you want. Steam it up and it's going to be delicious. One thing you got to know, I'm going to show you how to do it right. Hey, and everybody who's been out there subscribing, we hit 1,000 subscribers last night. Woo! I'm so happy. I cannot tell you how thankful I am for each and every one of your subscribes. I'm going to make sure that I'm bringing out amazing content for you every week. Thank you very much. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to receive updates on future episodes as they come out. Also consider becoming a Patreon, or if you'd like, purchase me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.